Hey, it's your boy Shaun, and yeah, I'm back for another video in my car once again. And this time I'm doing something a little different. Basically doing an unboxing. I had to go get some stuff for the channel. And my first goal was to, let the channel develop itself, see if you can do all this stuff without, spending that much money. I never set a budget. I just wanted to see if I could build a channel with what I already had. But I decided to take it a little more serious. Channel's not really, taking off like you think it should. So after 2 years, yeah, not like I've been consistent. I started working. For those that know, you know that I started YouTube basically full time. I wasn't working at the time. And yeah, I'm at a little shopping area out here in New York. Well, technically speaking, it's not little, it's very busy, but it's early in the morning, so yeah. Last week I went and bought a GoPro Silver. So yeah, I'm trying to be about that YouTube life, and never used the GoPro before. I don't know how to use it. I don't know how to mount it. And you don't see too many videos about people actually going about using a GoPro for the first time. So that's what we're going to learn today. Bought this last week. It was about $190 to $200, I believe. The DS, a SD drive for more of that beautiful beam footage, 128 gigabytes, and hopefully a good suction mount. I don't know if this is gonna be long enough for what I want it to be for. I want to stick it right here on the sunroof. You can see it's dirty. I parked my car under a tree, but just in case it isn't, Best Buy right there. So yeah, I kind of picked the perfect place to do this stuff at, and I'm just now realizing this is some pretty hard plastic. I haven't messed with this since I bought it on Thursday, and if you see some of my POV videos, I've done like 2 maybe, and others I didn't share the footage, even though it was great footage, because I'm using the iPhone, had it on this, and it just happened to peek right over the steering wheel or the dashboard into the street. So yeah, so when I figure out how to open this box, I'll get back to you guys. So give me a second. We'll do a little unboxing if we can. Yeah, I obliterated that box thinking that it was more to it than there actually was. Nope, it's just the camera. So let's try to take this off, and let me switch hands real fast. Switch to my dominant hand. All right, so I might keep this little glass case to rack my first GoPro on. Let me put this down. See. Okay, see, there's a thing you gotta push up here. I was thinking that you have to pull this tab up, but I believe you just squeeze this in the middle, and this little shit is right forward. So yeah, it's not as hard as I was making it seem, and so you get even less camera than I thought. So yep, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna remove this, turn this on, and see how it looks, and then we'll switch to the GoPro, and hopefully, the quality will be better than what you're seeing right now. I know you're probably sick of seeing this steering wheel. I say this every video. Eventually, I'm gonna find a spot to record, and we'll do our thing. But we'll switch this GoPro in a minute, get a little footage, and then go to Best Buy and see if we can get more stuff. Yeah, so I finally got it set up and wiped away this camera something too. And as you can see, the picture quality on the GoPro is better than the camera. Even you can even see that through the GoPro, because as you can see, yeah, that doesn't look so great, but through here, even if it's out of focus, it looks phenomenal, much better. So, and yeah, this doesn't, I got the side open, I got it out of the case and all that stuff, and yeah, I don't know why this phone is not focusing like it's supposed to. But yeah, the GoPro, I gotta, that's one reason why I'm not gonna be using this anymore. It doesn't come with any DS's or SD drives and none of that. And this is where you charge it and all that, hook it up. The button on the side is a little flimsy as far as I'm concerned, but I'll get over that for the quality. And the GoPro 8 is already out, so I believe that's just the button to start recording. So I'm gonna try to stick SD drive. I don't know why I keep calling it DS. SD drive in there. Of course, my hands are full, so something's got to give. So this phone's gonna have to get put down. Okay, it's your boy Shaun, and I'm back, as you can see, with the GoPro, and I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm going to shoot video. And I know some of you guys are thinking, why isn't he on his face yet? Well, that's because I'm gotten a little fat in my old age, and I don't know what pointing this camera at myself would do. Does anybody want to actually see me talk to a GoPro? I'm not a vlogger, and if you're wondering what's under this hat, forehead, I have dreads, and you might not even, yeah, let me adjust my hair because that's annoying. You might be wondering why I never show my face. Well, one, supercars from the hood. I wanted the channel to be about the cars. I don't really care to show myself, so the likelihood of you seeing this video is slim to none. But you know, I don't own a supercar. I just bought my first car for the first time in 15 years. The first car I got when I was 22. I'm 35, so it's probably not 15 years, but I might have been 21 when I got that car. And I had it in my backyard for 10 years. I have a video of that. And this is more test than anything. So eventually, I might do some vlogging, but the likelihood of that happening is slim to none, because I'm a very boring person, and I do not, you know, like having pictures of my face. I don't like my own face, so I don't put it online as much. And I've gotten, as you can see, a little fat, and I'm doing a minoxidil test, or a challenge, let's say, to see if I can grow a beard, and my hat is pointed up at the top. So yeah, we'll see. Maybe that's good, maybe it's not. We'll check it out though. So back to that off of me for a second. We're going to go in here and see if we can get some more toolage. And I don't know if you can do zoom ins with a GoPro. It'd be crazy if you could though. But yeah, the likelihood of us is we'll probably be doing apparatus up here. Might put one over here, shmee it up a little bit, one in this window. So now I got one more box to unbox, and we're gonna do that with the GoPro because that's why we bought it. And yeah, that is actually better than I thought, and it has a slide on it already. Of course it does, because I don't know who's, because it's a GoPro made product, and I bought it from this Best Buy that we're at. So, and oh, there's something else in here. I think we might have everything we need mountain wise. Hopefully we do. I mean, there's one problem. I really don't know how to do any of that. So let me figure out, place it up there, and then I'll figure out how to mount this thing. Okay, now I have it mounted to the sunroof, and you can see quite a lot. And I'm actually gonna show you a picture of that simultaneously on my iPhone. I'm gonna put that, as you can see in my hand, on record and show you that I actually do have it up here mounted. As you can see, it's pretty damn cool. And only problem is I'm gonna have to unmount it, remount it, unmount it every time, because I do actually live in the hood. People will see it, think I have something in here, like camera equipment, and they will try to take it. Now I'm trying to decide what I'm gonna do for different shots, because this is only gonna show you the inside of the car. So I realized that these sticky things are good for like POV. So I had to find a nice camera angle position for this to go and have it pointed at the street. Of course, I'll have to decide before I put this on, because yeah, that stuff is pretty sticky. So that would be good for city driving. This would be good for interior driving. Of course, I'm gonna get another mount eventually to put on this wall. So yeah, I know you can hear me from the phone and hear me from the GoPro. I don't know which is gonna be better sound wise. I'm gonna go buy lapel microphone and go from there. I'm gonna keep all these extra bits in this little plastic thing I like so much. And yeah, that video clip of me wasn't bad, so I'm probably gonna keep it on there for you guys. And then, okay, so I'll take this GoPro with me, let it finish what it's doing, and then come back and see if we can get anything done.